Welcome back, IP1. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today, we are continuing our topic about Microsoft Word and Paint 3D. This is lesson number 14, and without any further ado, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about font. The style of your writing and how it looks. That's what font is. So you can change the style, the size, the colors, and all the details. So the control panel about font and all the styles and all the details is right here. As you can see in the picture, you can choose the style of the font by clicking on this little arrow, and the size by clicking the other tab. You can choose colors, bold, italic, or underline, or crossover. And you can choose sentence, what type of text you want. Do you want uppercase, or do you want lowercase? So do you want big letters, or do you want small letters? So what type of writing do you need? So what is font? Font is the style of your writing and how it looks. And what is font size? Is the size of your writing and how big it is. What is bold? Bold is what makes your writing more outstanding and thicker. So here you can see in detail in each area. So you can see font, size, bold, underline to show importance, and underline a topic or word in a writing. So this is the underline tab or the underline command. And this is italic, which is to make your writing tilt or bend over a bit. Next, you can go to Insert tab and press the Insert. By doing so, you can press Picture and choose from your files. So Picture from File. This way you can insert a picture into your Microsoft Word file or work plane. Select the image that you want to upload from your desktop or from your downloads or whatever it is on your computer, and press Insert. So as you can see here, you can select the picture you need and click Insert to drag it into Microsoft Word and your file. Next, you can save files in folders. You can click right and create a folder. So you have to create a new folder. So it's always best to organize your files before starting your documents, so you don't lose any picture when you want to upload it to your Microsoft Word. So you click right and you create a new folder. You choose the new folder tab, and you can rename your folders as you like by right click and choose rename, and choose appropriate name for your file. For example, if you're doing a final exam for your technology class, you can write the name of your folder, Final Technology Exam. You can create new folders within your main folder, and by choosing proper names, it will help you to be more organized. So once we go inside our created folder, we can create another folder within that. So we click right again and we choose new folder, and we can create another folder within the old folder. You can use Google to search for what you're looking for and save the image. For example, you can simply search cat animals, and then you go to images, and you can find many cute pictures of cats. And you can simply save those images. So you can choose a name for your image. Before saving it, choose the folder and press save. So you can see here the name, the folder, and save button. So once you have set the name and chosen the proper folder to save the image in, so you just click save to save the image. Next, we want to practice what we have learned today. So please follow step by step as I go through it. We open Microsoft Word first, and then we can check what's going on in the program. And we can also review tools, change fonts and font style, such as size, color, shadow, and so on. And also, we want to create your name sign on a A4 in Microsoft Word, and then decorate it with pictures from Paint 3D. Okay, so let's go to Microsoft Word first. Let's open the program. Once the program is open, we click new. This is our page. And we simply want to practice what we have learned so far. So first, let's go to our font part. This is the fonts tab. You can start, you have to click on the page to start typing. So for example, I will type my name. And I select it all, and I choose the kind of font style I want. So as you can see, I click the little arrow next to the name up here, and I can choose the style I want. Maybe I'll choose Algerian, and then I'll make it bigger. Maybe like this. And maybe I can choose a color. Maybe I choose red, or there's many options for you to choose from. You can choose that, and you can see I can make it bold. So that's what happens when you choose to become bold. You can tilt it, you can underline it, you can cross it over, and you can highlight it if you need, like this. And this is the size. It makes it bigger, smaller. And here we have the capital size, or a capital letter, capital or uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, or capitalize each word. All right, so you can try to play with those and check what it changes through the document. So that's the main thing that I needed you to learn about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is more vast than what I taught you today, but for now, this is all you need to know, just how to type in Microsoft Word and how to use the font area. And let's go through it together one more time. And of course, the insert button. So let's go to our Paint 3D real quick. So we have our Paint 3D. And we just, what we can do is we can save this real quick, save as, and this PC. So I'll go slower, maybe you've got lost. So you go to File, you go to Save As, you choose this PC, and you can choose more options here. I'll choose Desktop, and this is the name. And here I can choose different formats of the file. So I want to choose PDF. And save it. And here we go back here and we click open, browse, and find our saved file. Let's find it on our desktop. I'm not seeing it. Let's go here and maybe we have to save it as another style of file. So no, not here. So just you can decorate some information in here. You can draw, for example, and you can add some 3D shapes. And here we can fix the size. So let's check what size is our paper first. Layout margins is the size of the paper is 250. No, that's not the size. This is the size is 21 by 29.7. Or in other words, A4. Here you can change it if you need. If not, you can just continue just as it is. You can add some stickers. And try to add your image just like this. And we can make it as a 3D. That's the canvas. That's what we need. So we can crop our image. Just like this. And we can make a smaller dinosaur right next to it or in the middle of it. You can add stickers. You can decorate it as you like. You can add stars. You can choose the color that you like. You can add some other shapes and colors if you want. So you can basically, what I want you to do is I want you to decorate your own name. You can write your name in a paper, and I prefer that you edit it on here so you can start using Microsoft Word. And then you can take a screenshot of your name and take it in here. Or another thing that you can also do is, if you don't want to do this, you can come here and just edit your page that you want as you want it. So let's go to 3D shapes first. For example, let's add some dinosaurs here. And add some shapes that you like, or some fish. I'm not sure. So it's very, I want you to be creative and design your own page and your own sign. So you write your name and you just play around with your favorite signs or animals, or just show me what you like. Or some shapes, some stars next to your name, the colors you like. You can, if you like, I don't know, yellow, you can change it to be yellow. You can fill the star with orange color, and you can have different types of stars. You can go back to the brush and maybe you can brush it over with some border around it, something like this. And then we can save this as an image. We can save it as an image. And save it, click save. And we will save it on desktop. And once it's saved, we should be able to take it to our, where did I save it? I got lost there, sorry. So let's go back. You save it. So you should take a look where you save it so you don't get lost. So you just click save on desktop and click yes. And once it's saved, you should be able to find it on your desktop somewhere. Not seeing it. Hold on. Just go through your desktop and All right, let's one more time. You just go to save as images, save desktop. All right, here it is. So you just drag it in. And we can just make it bigger. You can select your text and click this to centralize your text. And what I did, I saved the picture as JPEG. So let's save it as PNG also, and you will see the difference. We go back to our Word. So in Word, you can also drag the image inside. So you don't have to go to insert and picture and then this device. You don't have to do that all the time. If you don't want to, you can simply drag your file in. So we just drag our file inside and here it is. We can double click on it to edit it a bit. We can crop it to fit our page more. And we have to figure a way out to right in the middle or in the top. So we can keep it as it is if you want. If you don't want, you can, what you can do, if you don't want it to be below or top on top of it, you can go to insert and you can go to text box. And you can go to insert and you can choose text box. And you can choose draw a text box and right in the middle in here. And I'll select my writing and I paste it here. And I can delete it from here and make this bigger. And right here we have our text. So before we finish, you have to click on it and go to shapes and choose here no fill. So you can see here now we have our text box and our name in the middle and our decoration all around it. Also, you can click here for shape outline and click no outline. So it's mixed together. So you can either do it in Word, Microsoft Word like this, bring in the picture from Paint 3D, or you can also take a screenshot or take the PNG file or a picture of your name that you did in Microsoft Word and take the picture into the Paint 3D as I did before, as I showed you before. So it's two ways. You can do both ways. And the best way actually is that you just use one program to do it. But I just wanted you to know that you can use also two programs. And also I wanted you to start getting familiar with Microsoft Word. All right, that's all for today. So don't forget to always save your files as JPEG or even actual file and that you are using Microsoft Word or Paint 3D. So always keep a background of them and take a screenshot of your work or save it as an image in case I need a proof or as a final product, you need to submit it. So for today, you don't have homework, but always when you do your homework, not homework, always when you do step-by-step classwork, always try to save it and take a picture And at the end of the class, we probably will have a small booklet that I need you to submit as a PDF file, maybe only 5 to 10 work that you have done during this class. All right, that's all for today, everyone. Thank you for joining and stay safe and enjoy your weekend. See you next week and take care. Bye-bye.